Experiencing cellular data problems with Cricket Wireless? These initial troubleshooting steps will help get you back online quickly. First, check if there are any reported outages in your area. Visit the Cricket Wireless website or use third-party outage monitoring sites. For example, a recent outage was detected on June 27, 2025, lasting about 1 hour. Next, perform a complete restart of your phone. Power it off completely, then remove the battery and SIM card if possible. Reinsert them properly and power your phone back on. This simple step resolves many connectivity issues. Check that your Cricket Wireless account is active and in good standing. Make sure your bill is paid and up to date, as service interruptions commonly occur due to account or billing issues. Finally, verify that mobile data is enabled in your phone's settings. Navigate to Connections, then Mobile Networks, and ensure mobile data is turned on. This is a common oversight that can cause data connectivity issues. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your data connectivity issues, the next step is to check and configure your APN settings, which we'll cover in the Advanced Solutions section. APN settings, or access point name settings, are crucial network configuration parameters that allow your phone to connect to Cricket Wireless cellular data network for internet access and messaging. Most modern smartphones automatically configure APN details when you insert your Cricket SIM card. However, you may need to manually adjust these settings if you experience data connectivity problems. To check your APN settings, go to your phone's network settings and find the APN options. The exact location varies by device, but it's typically under cellular or mobile network settings. On iPhone devices, you can access these settings by going to Settings, then Cellular, and selecting Cellular Data Options to find your APN configuration. When checking your APN settings, ensure the MCC, or Mobile Country Code, is set to 310 for the United States. The MNC, or Mobile Network Code, should match Cricket Wireless specific network identifier. If APN configuration doesn't resolve your connectivity issues, try resetting your network settings. This can be found in your device settings under Network and Internet or Connections, then Reset Network Settings. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset of your device. However, this will erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your important files and information first. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your connectivity issues, contact Cricket Wireless support for professional assistance. It's recommended to use a different phone when calling support to ensure you can communicate effectively.